So we made it to the beach, and it's actually a beautiful day. It's only like 72 out here, and the sun's out. We got towels and hoodies. We'll be good. Introducing me to punk rock, I think.
This is from my middle school days.
Is it This is still Relient K? Dave Matthews Band, I get that reference. For the record.
For the record.
I'm getting burned.
I got burned on my face. I got little patches.
But you'll tan. I'm not gonna tan.
But I'll just look really embarrassed for a while.
But I will turn like a tomato.
If you like to talk to tomatoes.
If a cucumber can make you smile.
It's a squash, actually.
If a squash can make you smile. Sorry, VeggieTale fans out there. We stopped at Loop in San Marco because I wanted to show her San Marco too.
It's beautiful. I love this area.
And the Loop is all redone. It's really nice now. They have these floating things.
Perfect mood lighting. As you can see, we're perfectly lit.
This really got boring for them fast, I think.
No, I know. We need to do something exciting.
Okay. This car.
I know. Can we get one?
No, two.
Two?
Two.
A matching set, his
matching
and hers.
set.
I'll race you.
I'll get black, you get?
Red.
Red? Black and red.
Yeah.
That is classy. Perfect. Hey guys, so we've just been home for a while. Abby, Mike, and Anastasia came over. I wasn't really vlogging that. Ashley was just kind of meeting them. She hadn't met Abby or Micah or Anastasia yet, so we were just eating dinner, getting in some good quality family time and stuff. Anyway, then she and I actually started to watch The Great Gatsby and then just kind of fell asleep. Anyway, I just woke up, so I'm finishing up the vlog and stuff like that today. And it was a good day. That's where I'm gonna wrap everything up. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Oh yeah, look, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell from here, but you can probably see from my face, majorly sunburned. Majorly sunburned. So that's gonna hurt tomorrow. Anyway, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning.